It's me, the trash man. Watch this garbage or you'll get my magnum dong.
Okay, so how do you play this game? I wasn't listening.
Slaughterhouse Day.
So we really just need to focus on... Damn it, Condor. I'm the cook, I get him the blood. I'm upstairs.
How do I get out of here?
Just look for people.
No smoking.
Hey, fuck you, man.
Oh, there's a generator going.
Oh, good, leave it.
Oh.
Don't mess with that.
Two of them.
Is he coming back?
That's me, that's me.
Jack.
Yep.
Wait, did I commit a murder? I don't know what happened to both the women.
Coming back left, coming back right.
Where'd that other one go, Condor?
I don't know.
How do you
stabbing in that. You forget to cherish her.
That's what I was looking for.
How do you lose a woman?
You forget to cherish her.
I'm in the back slaughter area.
There's no way this works, but
5 minutes later.
Run. I just fucking waddle. Waddle.
hey. Back at loading docks. Oh, he stepped on my truck.
You're in a good spot right now. Well,
Yeah, you are.
and you just gave it away. Hello, hitchhiker. Leland, we're so scared. We should like have a threesome or something.
Oh yeah.
Anna, I'm so scared. We should have like a lesbian thing. Alright, let's get the fuck out of here. Oh, there's Sissy. Stupid bitch.
Fucking woman.
Aaron, stop watching me. You piece of shit.
Perfect timing. Perfect timing. Caught that shit right in 4K. Do not. Do
Hey,
that,
help me
Jack.
knock this bitch
Do
over.
not do that, Jack.
Where's she? Where's she?
This bitch over. Thank you. Hello, Leather. Mom found the mustard sock.
Worse than the poop sock.
It's not worse than the poop drawer.
What about the poop sack?
Yes.
Bro, if mom ever finds the poop drawer. It's gonna be a
It
Texas,
is Jordan.
It's gonna be a Texas Chainsaw Massacre.
Oh god.
Hold up. Wake up.
Oh.
Keep still. Keep still.
Grandpa.
Never mind, run.
Run.
Yes. Bro, open the door. Oh Jesus.
I don't know what he's doing. I think he's taking me back to his sex dungeon.
Dude, there is nothing I can do in this situation.
He's gonna fuck me. That was stupid. That was stupid. That was fucking stupid.
Bop, bop, mink, mink. Oh, put
Punch him in the balls.
right in the nuts.
Never back down, never what?
Ah,
Never back down.
I'm gonna
never
die.
what?
I'm gonna die. Fuck it. Get stabbed, bitch. Get over here. Ah, shit. After being fucked up.
Right, wait,
You're
Connie,
a
Connie, come
demon.
here. Connie, come here. God damn it.
Oh, y'all are gonna fuck
Yeah. I'm rubbing your butt. I'm rubbing your butt.
Sir. Mr. Simpson, pull over.
Mr. Simpson,
Mr.
Mr.
Mr. Simpson. Mr. Simpson.
You'll take me
Stop.
alive.
Just some good old boys. Never meaning no. RJ,
Now.
I'm a big fan. I don't think you did it, but
Boo!
I think you are
Condor,
right.
Condor, there's a grenade right next to you!
Dude, I never saw it. And?
Why is his body just flopping in the back?
Father, help!
Hey, Jack.
What the fuck? Hold on. Hold on. I got the tactical gear for this. Hold on.
Then we were playing a game of tag,
Oh, wait.
and I tagged him. So Jack, what did you learn?
Don't wander Franco away.
I hate you.
Fine.
Shouldn't you fucking knock it off?
Fine. 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 You cock! Big up!
Big out.
Big up! Well, that's creepy. Ow! Who's shooting me?
There's no way I hit that.
You,
I'm sorry.
you bitch!
Under's a prick.
That wasn't very nice.
Quite a lot, actually. Oh, you're on the roof?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, I mean, that doesn't change the fact that I'll hold it for you.
Want me to fuck you in the shower?
Somebody go revive Jack.
Well, wait a minute, I'm not down. Kinda want me to fuck you in the shower?
This map.
I don't.
What is it?
What? Did you shoot Condor? Just come on out, buddy.
Yeah, come on.
Got him.
I got him.
Oh, Jack.
Dinner.
Go.
Go!
Dinner serve. Dinner serve. Ah!
Boom, boom, boom.
Did you get speed cola too?
No.
So why am I not faster than you?
Speed cola has nothing to do with what?
It's called
Jack,
speed
how-
cola. Why wouldn't it
How
make you
retarded
faster?
are you?
Why would it speed cola make you faster?
I'm honestly ready to quit this game. I am.
What? It's called speed cola.
Oh
No,
my
not quick
God.
reload cola. I assumed it made you a little bit faster. Help you run away from zombos. I am the one who cranks.
I'm the one who used.
I am the one who Supermans that hoe.
I thought that'd be Kevin Durant.
Oh, but it did that.
Yeah, because he's Superman. Jack, I know you
No.
don't understand basketball stuff.
Dwight Howard.
No, Kevin Durant.
Deserve it.
I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die. Goodbye world. Goodbye mom. Goodbye Taco Bell. Chicken quesadilla.
Imagine the taco.
Is that a
Are
map?
we just gonna let... Are we just gonna let, Damn it.
Yeah. Bop, 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 bop. They're just floating into the ceiling.
Oh, what a feeling. Zombies on the
Zombies on the
ceiling.
ceiling.
Wait a second. As a podcast, why don't we sell merch? We do idiot at the site below. Grab some sweatpants for snuggling with your real existing girlfriend. Go ahead and pick up some shorts. They're like pants, but not. These $30 sandals were worn by Jesus. Buy this shirt that screams, I require immediate medical attention. Grab a phone case that is 100% guaranteed water. Buy this mug so you can break it when mom says the pizza rolls aren't ready. Get a sticker, you broke piece of shit. A shirt, it's like a hoodie but for people confident in their own body. Buy one of these hoodies if you like Taco Bell chicken quesadillas. Socks. Please check out the site or I won't get my rations.